now our topic is clipping positive part of AC wave using diode clipper. Okay. So for this purpose, if I draw this circuit, okay, and this is incoming wave, okay. This is at T1, this is T2, T3, T4. So this is incoming wave, okay. So what will be about the output wave? For T1, let's start for T1. For T1, the input wave shape will be this is for T1, okay. This is T1, okay. So for input wave will be this. Because this is a PN junction, this is a positive part. If the positive wave is coming, then positive will be connected with the positive, and low N is connected with the low voltage. I mean, you may say that that is grounded. So it means that will be treated for T1, the positive part of wave. This circuit will be equivalent to this is resistance R, and this is V out, and this will be a V in, okay. So for positive part, this circuit will be a forward bias, so all voltage will be dropped here, okay. So so all voltage will be dropped here, but at output the V out will be a 0, because all voltage will be crossed from here, no voltage will be dropped at to the no voltage will be dropped, no voltage will be at the output. So V out will be 0. So this for output curve will be like output will be this for T1, okay. But if we consider for T2, okay, when this for T2, this is T2, okay. For T2, what will be for T2, this because there is negative part of this incoming wave, so voltage will be a negative, okay. So the P will be connected with negative part, and you may consider that the P is connected with the positive part, sorry, P is connected with the negative and N is connected positive. When this will become a reverse bias, and this circuit will behave like a open circuit, okay. So diode will be treated as a open. So diode, this is a resistance. Diode will be treated like open, okay. So because it is opening. So V out at here, V out will become V in. What is the shape of the input wave? The same. This is V in. Okay. Okay. So what is the shape of the incoming wave? The output wave will be the same as incoming wave. So at T2. This will be at T2. The same as same as incoming. So V out will be same as the input wave. And for T3, for T3, that will be again positive, and T3. So V out will be 0 as case of T1, and for T4, the case is V out will be V in as case of T2. So this will be repeated. Okay. So if I draw a resultant, if I draw the result, so if I draw the so what will be the V out? This is incoming wave. So V out will be like this. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. Okay. While input is what is the input wave and what is the I must what was the V in? That was this was an input wave, and T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, and T8. Okay. So this wave, which sine wave is coming, that will be converted into this type of wave. Okay. So it will clip every part. So it will be clip positive part, completely positive part of AC wave. Okay. So this is a this is a way to clip the sign positive part of A. This is a fig A. Now we consider a fig B. This circuit is equivalent to if I use the inverse diode here, okay, and okay, this is diode, okay, this is N and this is P and this is resistance R. The same, the situation is the same if this circuit, both circuit are will be equivalent. If this, I say that this is a fig B, okay, as in the case of this case, the same input wave, it will be sorry. 1 minute, please. This is the same as okay, the same as input wave it given there. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, okay. Okay. So what for T1, what will be happen now? This is this diode is connected reverse wise. Okay, so that will be for T1. It will be this diode was for T1. It is forward wise, and that was behaving a short circuit. But in the reverse case, here it will be treated for positive, it will be treated as open. So for T1, so for T1, if we consider the T1, that is, if we consider this is T1, okay. For T1, this diode will be open, okay. So so this is V in, but this is because the circuit is breaked here, so no voltage will be cross here. So V out will be 0, as in the case of this. Okay, and the same as I have drawn there, the V for T1, that will be as exactly the same as, so that will be a 0. But for T2, for T2, yes, for T2, the circuit will be T2. The diode will, this diode will become, because now the negative will be connected with the negative and positive is the positive. So circuit will become a short circuit, and so voltage will be passed here, and that will be, so V in, because at this point voltage will be same. So V out will be as V, so V out will be equal to V in. So in this case, this will be a T2, and so collectively, when you combine these both, this implies that V out will be, yes, V out will be equal to for T3, for T3 same as T1, for T4 same as T2. Repeated. Okay. So what will be the, by using, considering all these steps, so by considering all these steps, what will be the V out? So that will be the same as this. So these are both circuits are equivalent. Okay. This is T1, this is T2, this T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, and so on. T8, T9. So this will be continuously behave such like. Okay. So that will be continuously for the input, this type of V. What is the V in? By now that what will be the T1, T2, T3, T4, T6. Mean whatever this is the sine, like a sine wave, AC wave. So AC wave will be converted into this wave. So this way, in this way, these are, in this way we will clip the positive part of this circuit. Okay. I think if you have any question, so both are the equivalent circuit. Have you any question? If not, then it's okay.